The darker side of female nature, 7 things girls don't want you to know. 1. Every girl knows what a guy is trying to say. She just acts as innocent. 2. Girls fall in love with the one who avoids them the most. 3. Every girl acts like a child. She's with the one she loves most. 4. If a girl truly loves a guy, then she will always tell him when another boy tries to flirt with her. 5. When a girl cooks for you, she cares for you. 6. Girls will sleep with you if they like your identity. 7. Be careful with the girl whose dad was the first person who broke her heart. Subscribe for more.